Hey loves, how is everyone doing today? I thought I'd try to sneak in a little vlog today. I'm just getting off of work with my Patriot shirt to work today. Let's go Pats, let's go Pats. But I figured I'd like sneak in a little vlog today so y'all can kind of see my little, routine that I do when I get off of work. Like I said, I just got off work. I am on my way to pick up my son from my mother's house. So yeah, I usually pick them up right after I get off work. Usually both of my boys are there, but my oldest son, he stayed after school today because he's in a club, and they had like a club meeting today. So he stayed after school. I have to pick him up, I think, at about 5. So I'm just gonna pick up my youngest son. Both of them are in high school. If y'all didn't know, I have both of my. I know a lot of people. I know some of y'all that follow me have been following me for a long time. When my kids were like 8, 7, 6. And so, yeah, both of them are in high school. One's a freshman, and then the other is a sophomore. So, yeah. My mother told me that she cooked dinner, so I don't have to cook dinner tonight, which is awesome. Yeah, I love nights when I don't have to cook dinner. It's just, I can just go home and just do what I want. But if y'all want to see like some quick dinners that you can do, for your family when you get off work, let me know, because I have like a stash of them, you guys. I swear I'm the queen at quick dinners because I'm really tired when I get off work. So I just need to chef up something real quick and keep it moving. So, but I don't have to cook tonight. I think we're going to make some cookies today. Some Christmas cookies. Well, not Christmas cookies, but, cookies. I think we found a recipe on Pinterest. So we're going to do a little bit of cooking today. Me and my hubby. I don't know if my boys are going to do it. They're just, y'all know how. I don't know. They're at that age where they're no fun right now. So hopefully I can drag them and make them do it. Or, make them want to help us out, make some cookies, and watch some Christmas movies. It's what I love to do. Y'all, I love my mother to death. I love her to death. But why is my hair brown? I haven't even dyed my hair. Anyway, she will ask me the same question every day. Or she will tell me a story that I told her. I love her though. I love her. I'm at my mom's house now. Hello. Hi, Nadia.
You got Manuel?
No, he's at school. I have to pick him up. He's at his club meeting.
Okay. Is it for cooking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Nadia.
I thought you had to go over there and pick him up and then come back.
No, he don't get off till 5.
But really, I still don't have any
What do you?
kind of plates we have are these little flimsy plates. Like Isaiah, you drive Isaiah, go in there and get them. Well, you want to use these little flimsy plates?
Yeah. I'll use it from the plate.
Well, put 2 or 3 together, 3 or 4 together.
Oh my, those are good plates. Oh, you make breakfast?
Okay, do you want this on a heavy duty plate?
No, because I'm gonna eat right here at the table.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you were going to take yours home. You'll have to take Manuel.
Oh yeah, I'll just double up. I like your hair. I like your hair.
Diamond.
What's that? Ew. He's a monster.
No, it's not. It's Harry.
So, that lady was doing,
What?
and that if that.
You want your eyebrows to look like that?
I want them to laugh.
Oh no, this is just so you want yours filled in.
Yeah, I don't have any eyebrows.
Oh,
How long will it last?
they're not. They are not advertising that. This is advertising threading to just shape your eyebrows up to cut out any loose
What do you
hairs.
have?
I just draw mine on the pencil.
Every morning.
Mhm. You know they have something called microblading.
Does that last? All he gotta do is text me what he wants me to cook for him.
But no, microblading lasts about probably about a few months, like 6 months.
Oh, well that would be fine.
Yeah, they do. I know someone that does them, but you know what they like. It's probably gonna hurt.
Oh, it's gonna hurt?
It's like a little. It's like
Cut me?
yeah. What they do is like put little cuts in your eyebrow and then put the dye or the ink, and that fills it in. And yeah, that's what they. I think that's what they do. A lot of people get it done.
Have you ever got it done?
I had made an appointment to do it, but I was scared. I didn't know how I would react to it. So.
What was that, for eyebrows? To tattoo them in?
Yeah, it's pretty much like a tattoo. But they make them. They do like hair strokes, so it looks like hair.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Breakfast for dinner.
Oh. How are they liking?
Turn on our lights. So this is what we put up the little deers. I think they're pretty. I want to add some lights to this bush right here. Well, it's just at least to our side. But I like them. Got up the lights, but you can't see them now because it's too dark. And now let's turn on the Christmas tree. Whew. Nothing like a hot shower at the end of the day. I gotta take a shower when I get home. Like I need to work. I need to like wash work off of me. All right, guys, we have a new addition to the Christmas decoration family. These are these little trees my hubby brought today. I love it. He's participating in all the extra I want to do. But yeah, I think I'm actually going to put some little bulbs on these too to decorate them. Yeah, definitely doing that. That's going to happen. So hubby made some dinner. He said it is a, I forgot already, buffalo chicken casserole. So, and I tasted it already. It tastes so good. It tastes like buffalo chicken casserole. I don't know, with
So the English copper coin in my pocket, you have the silver coin. Would you hold it just in your hand?
what is this, like macaroni? No, not macaroni, but I don't know. It's really good, you guys.
From your close list. Close your hand. After the hand. 3, 2.
And we have spiked eggnog. Yum.
Goes too far.
'Tis the season.
Combine the Crisco, vanilla, eggs, and sugar and beat until light.
Okay, you guys, so that is going to end the vlog for tonight. We are about to eat some cookies, cuddle up, and finish watching The Elf.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, tune in next time. Like I said, I'm only doing Vlogmas about 1 to 2 times a week because I just really don't have a lot to vlog. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.